In this video, let me show you how to delete your Viviveror account. To permanently delete your Viviveror account, you must use the mobile app of Viviveror. If you're doing this process, or delete the account using the desktop app only, it will only log you out of the device and delete its local data. It won't delete your main account, so make sure you follow this process using your mobile phone in which your account of Viviveror is logged in. Now, once you're inside of Viviveror, what you need to do is head over to the More option on the bottom right, and then head over to Settings. Inside of Settings, head over to Account, and right here you'll see the option called Deactivate Account. Now, in case of Viviveror, deleting and deactivating is the same option because it will remove and delete all of your data, including the in-app purchase items and credits. So you can first of all take a look at the description. Now, in order to deactivate or delete your account, you need to enter in your phone number. Make sure your country code is correct, and then you can tap on Deactivate Account. A warning message will appear explaining the consequences of deleting or deactivating your data. If you agree, you can just confirm and then proceed in the process of deactivation. Now, before you deactivate your account, there are a few things that you need to know. If you do deactivate your Viviveror account, it will not cancel any subscriptions. So the Viviveror Out subscriptions, if you may have added in, you need to first of all cancel those subscriptions before you deactivate your account. So this is an important step. As well as if you do need all of your chats of inside of Viviveror, make sure you back it up into a Google account first of all, and then only proceed in the process of deactivation. So that's all there is in order for you to delete your Viviveror account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe if you guys are interested in more future videos just like this.